Good morning to my dear students. Welcome back to Atma's Green School, Jai Swaminarayan. Today's standard 8th book, Civics. Chapter is Understanding Marginalization. Okay, that is, we will study from a displacement, that is a trouble faced by the Adivasis. According to official figures, more than 50% of persons displaced. The meaning of displaced refers to people who are forced to, compelled to move from their homes for bigger development projects including dams, mining, etc. So another survey report shows that 79% of the persons displaced from the states of Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Orissa and Jharkhand are tribals. Huge tracts of tribal lands have been washed away, ताकि उसमें उन्होंने फिर डैम्स खड़े किए और भी काफ़ी चीज़ें built in independent India. In the northeast, tribal lands are highly militarized and war-torn. India has 54 national parks and 372 wildlife sanctuaries covering 1,09,652 square kilometer. इसके लिए भी ट्राइबल पीपल के जो इनहेबिटेंट्स जंगलों में रहते थे उन्हें सब कुछ खाली करवा दिया, उन्हें डिस्प्लेस कर दिया. These areas were originally inhabited by the tribals, but eventually they were evicted. They were displaced. Those continuing to stay in these forests are termed as encroachers. यानी अगर जो वहीं पे कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं तो वो उस गांव उस फॉरेस्ट के लिए हेल्प कर रहे हैं. ओके, जैसे वहाँ पे डैम्स बने हैं या वो सेंचुरीज है या बायो रिजर्व्स या नेशनल पार्क्स बने, वो उनमें काम कर रहे हैं. ओके, दोज कंटिन्यूइंग टू स्टे इन दिस फॉरेस्ट आर टर्म्ड एज एनक्रोचर्स, कि जो इस जंगल के लिए जो गवर्नमेंट बिल्ड कर रहे हैं उनके लिए काम कर रहे हैं, उन्हें एनक्रोचर्स कहा जाता है. तो नहीं कर रहे हैं, दे आर डिस्प्लेस्ड फ्रॉम देयर, वैकेंट किया जाता है उनको. देन द रिजल्ट्स ऑफ आदिवासीज ट्रबल्स आर Adivasis lost their lands and their main sources of livelihood. Many Adivasis have migrated to cities in the search of work where they get employed for every low wages. कितना भी wages मिले ये काम करने के लिए तैयार हो जाते हैं in buildings, industries and construction sites. They get caught in a cycle of poverty and deprivation. 45% of tribal groups in rural areas and 35% in urban areas live below poverty line. Many tribal children are malnourished, yani they did not get adequate food or nutrition. Literacy rates among tribals are very low. So when Adivasis are displaced from their lands, they do not just lose their source of income, but उनका tradition, customs, a way of living being सब कुछ खत्म हो जाता है, because वो इतने टाइम से inhabitant है उन एरिया में. So मतलब they are born for that, ऐसे कहा जा सकता है. The economic and social dimensions of tribal life are interconnected. That is why destruction in one sphere naturally impacts the other. कि एक जगह अगर destruction है तो उसका impact दूसरी जगह ज़रूर होता है, अच्छा हो या बुरे का impact हो. Okay, then minorities and marginalization. The term minority is most commonly used to refer to communities that are numerically small compared to the rest of the population. The term marginalization refers to the situation in which an individual or group of individuals is deprived of certain privileges or treated as different from others. Minority, okay, जो मतलब बिल्कुल ही अलग से उनका है, उनको अलग से ही ट्रीट किया जाता है, या लीस्ट उनको बॉदर्ड होते हैं उनके बारे में. The concept of minority covers issues of power, access to resources, and as social and cultural dimensions. The Indian Constitution recognized that the culture of the majority influences the way in which society and government might express themselves. In such case, size can be disadvantage and lead to marginalization of relatively smaller communities. Then, to safeguard of the minorities, the constitution provides certain safeguards to religious and linguistic minorities. This is to protect minority communities against the possibility of being culturally dominated by the majority. Minorities का आज भी मतलब ज़्यादा उनको मतलब गवर्नमेंट सेफ गार्ड कर रही है उनके लिए, स्पेशली कुछ कोटाज रखा गया है इन एवरी फील्ड में. बिकॉज अगर माइनॉरिटी को कोई नहीं देखेगा तो फिर वो लोग तो बिल्कुल ही पिछड़े हो जाएंगे. This is to protect minority communities against the possibility of being culturally dominated by the majority. The constitutional safeguards also protect them against any discrimination and disadvantage. Minority communities may feel insecure about their lives, assets, and well-being. This sense of insecurity may get heightened if the relations between the minority and the majority communities become strained. The Constitution is committed to protect India's cultural diversity and promote जितना हो सके उतना ज़्यादा promotion for the equality and justice, equal rights. Okay, the judiciary plays an important role in upholding the law and enforcing fundamental rights. Okay, then the next is Muslims and marginalization. Muslims are 13.4% according to 2001 census of India's population that are considered to be marginalized community. They have over the years been deprived of the benefits of socio-economic development. They have little access to education. They are deprived of basic amenities like water, electricity. In public employment too, they always lag behind other communities. The Indian government set up a high-level committee in 2005, which was chaired by Justice Rajinder Sachar. The committee examined the social, economic, and educational status of the Muslim community in India. It observed that the status of the Muslim community in these matters was comparable to that of other marginalized communities like SC and ST. Then economic and social marginalization. The other dimensions which are experienced by Muslims in economic and social marginalization, Muslim customs and practices such as wearing burqa and fez make them different from others. Because of this, they tend to be identified differently, considered separated from the mainstream and treated unfairly. This social marginalization has forced them to migrate from the place where they have lived, often leading to ghettoization. What is ghettoization? A ghetto is an area or locality that is populated largely by members of particular community. Ghettoization ghettoization refers to the process that leads to such a situation. This may be due to social, cultural, and economic reasons. Fear or hostility is what most often compels a community to group together in order to feel secure. Okay, that is ghettoization of the community. Sometimes this prejudice leads to hatred and violence. In our countries, there are several more marginalized communities like Dalits. It is quite essential to bring these communities in the mainstream so that they may avail access to rights, development, and other opportunities. It is necessary to protect the rights of minorities as defined in the Constitution in order to protect our country's unique diversity and uphold the ideal of equality. Okay, so the conclusion is कि marginalization results in having a low social status and not having equal access to education and other resources. Yet the lives of marginalized people can and do change. No one is marginalized all the time एक ही समय पे. Each marginalized group has a long history of struggle. कैसे उन्होंने अपनी हर एक ग्रुप struggle किया है and marginalized communities want to maintain their cultural distinctiveness while having access to rights, development and other opportunities as well. Okay students, so that was the end of understanding marginalization. See, we go to page number 83 of your text. Explain at least 3 different reasons why groups may be marginalized. क्या है 3 reasons? Different spoken languages, different customs and religions, and low social status की वजह से ऐसे लोगों को बिल्कुल ही पीछे रखा जाता है. Why was Daddu forced to leave this village in Orissa? Daddu was forced to leave his village in Orissa because the company walas took away his ancestral land for mining the iron ore under it. In your own city or village, who would you think are the marginalized groups? Dalit are the marginalized groups. The Dalit are forced to employ themselves in unclean occupations and treated unfairly by the society. Can you name some Adivasi communities that live in your state? मध्य प्रदेश में कौन कौन है? गोंड, भिल, कौल. आपने अपनी टेक्स्ट बुक में देखा है ना, वहाँ पे एक मैप दिया है. नॉर्थ में नहीं है, ज़्यादातर ईस्ट में है. ईस्ट, वेस्ट एंड साउथ, और डिफरेंट पूरा उसके अंदर लिखा है कौन सी कम्युनिटी है, पूरी आदिवासी कम्युनिटीज. व्हाट लैंग्वेज डू दे स्पीक? दैट इज गोंड स्पीक गोंडी एंड भिल्स की तो अपनी लैंग्वेज है. Do they live close to the forest? Yes, they live close to the forest. Do they migrate to other regions looking for work? Yes. When the forest officials and contractors वहाँ पहुँचते हैं to evict them from their lands, उनकी छीन लेती, they migrate to look for work. Page number 85. What metals are important in present day India? Why? Where do they come from? Are there Adivasi populations there? Metals like iron and aluminium are important in present day India. They are required for building infrastructure including roads, bridges, rail lines, aeroplanes. They come from the mines of iron ore and aluminium ore under forest lands. Yes, there are Adivasi populations inhabiting those places. List 5 products that you use at home that come from the forest: gum, honey, timber, lac, fruit. By whom were the following demands being made on forest land? Timber for construction of houses and railways, that is builders, contractors. Forest land for mining, private and public sector companies. Forest land for agriculture by non-tribal people, rich farmers. Reserved by government as wildlife parks, वो कौन होते हैं? Environmental activities and wildlife enthusiast people. Next, in what ways would this affect tribal people? क्योंकि उनके फॉरेस्ट लैंड छीन लिए गए थे, उनकी ड्वेलिंग प्लेस थी, उनका मीन्स ऑफ लाइवलीहुड था जो उनसे एविक्ट किया गया था और वो कहीं और चले जाते हैं. पेज नंबर 87. इन योर ओपिनियन, why is it important that Adivasis should have a say in how their forest and forest lands are used? Adivasi should have a say कि कैसे, because the decisions of the government agencies on these matters affect their lives and livelihood directly. Why do we need safeguards for minorities? We need safeguards for minorities in order to protect them from any discrimination or domination by the majority because of their small numbers. Now see question number 2, ये डाटा है, just have a look, इसमें कुछ आपको no need to study. Then page number 89 का भी question 5, just omit that. Then we go to Adivasis literally means original inhabitants. A ghetto is an area located, populated by members of a particular community. What is the share of Adivasis in India's population? 8%. Where do Adivasis live? In or near the forest? In or near the forest. What percentage of India's total population is comprised of Muslims? 2001 की बात है. It is 13.4%. Which among the following states does the Jagannath cult belong to? Orissa. What is the literacy rate of Muslims in India in 2001? It is 59%. Tribals are also referred to as Adivasis. Where is Niyamgiri Hill located? Niyamgiri Hill, Orissa. The Justice Sashar Committee was set up in the year 2005. Then there are very short answers also. How many Adivasis group are there in India? That is 500 plus. How many tribal groups are there in Orissa? 60 different tribal groups. Which tribal language has the largest number of speakers in India? The Santhali. Which state do the Shakti and Tantric traditions belong to? State of West Bengal and Assam. Name the tribal community which dwells in the Niyamgiri Hill of Orissa. वो है डोंगारिया कॉन्ट्स. ये भी एक ट्राइबल कम्युनिटी है जो नियामगिरी हिल्स ओडिशा में रहती है. वो है डोंगारिया कॉन्ट्स. डोंगारिया. what is the general perception about आदिवासीज? The general मतलब क्या है उनके बारे में, क्या कह सकते हैं? वो प्रिमिटिव है, बैकवर्ड है, और थोड़ा बहुत उनमें चेंज आया है, थोड़ा बहुत. क्यों? बिकॉज वो जंगलों से निकल के बाहर आए हैं, माइनिंग में और भी जगह में वो काम कर रहे हैं. सो अभी उनमें थोड़ा बहुत चेंज आया है. विच फैक्टर लीड्स टू गिटोइजेशन ऑफ द मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी? द सोशल मार्जिनलाइजेशन ऑफ द मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी leads to its ghettoization. How are Muslims usually identified? कैसे? Long beard and fez और burqa, Muslims की पहचान. Why have many Adivasis migrated to cities? Because अपना घर बार खो चुके थे in search of work. उनको जीना था, land, livelihood. Who chaired the Sashar Committee? By Justice Rajinder Sashar. What was the lifestyle of Adivasis like in pre-colonial India? They were hunter-gatherers and nomads. What are madarsas? Madarsas are institutions which provide education to Muslim children. मदरसा स्कूल नहीं है. जो बच्चे स्कूल नहीं जाते वो मदरसा में जाते. उनको उनकी भाषा का, फिर उनकी होली बुक्स के बारे में सब वही सब सिखाते पूरा. What is the population of Adivasi in Assam? 70 lakh. Then, according to official figures, more than 50% of persons displaced due to mining projects are tribals. India has 54 national parks and 372 wildlife sanctuaries. 45% of tribal groups in rural areas and 35% in urban areas live below poverty line. Forests have been cleared to get land for agriculture and industry. True or false? Adivasis are exotic, primitive and backward. False. Many tribal children are well nourished. False. Adivasi languages are influenced by mainstream Indian languages. False. Literacy rates among tribals are very low. True. Dalits in India are a marginalized community. True. Santhali is an important Adivasi language. True. Okay, and many more. If you read the lesson, okay, easily आप MCQ solve कर सकोगे. Okay, students, and please submit your worksheet before or on 12th of December. Please, everyone, before or on 12th December in school. So with this, okay, please read the text as your paper includes objective and subjective this time. So please do read the text. Okay, and do remember about the worksheet. मैंने आपको कब से दे दी है. It is very easy. So submit it on or before 12th of December. So with this I wrap up my class here. Thank you to all. Take care.